Hello, I'm Adam Schofield, Product Evangelist working on behalf of Microsoft, and I've been very luckily invited down to Samsung Studio here in the UK to check out their new range of Windows 10 computing devices. I've already been able to see the Galaxy Book Pro, which is a gorgeous looking device. I'm now going to look at the middle one in the range, which is the Galaxy Book. Now, here it is. We're going to take a quick 360 look at this. This is my first real opportunity to have a proper look at it. It's got this lovely kind of slate feel to it. I do love a Windows 10 device that has just more of a uniformity to the whole thing. Very, very kind of sleek looking design. Samsung logo kind of elegantly placed on the top there. Really lovely. On the sides, in terms of your port selection, we've got a USB-A here. We've got a 3.5 headphone jack, as well as expandable storage. On the other side, we have a full-size HDMI port, as well as another USB-A, and then two USB-C ports as well. I really like the fact that they've managed to keep two USB-A ports as well. I think it's one of those things which, you know, some people just need that kind of legacy support despite everything moving to USB-C, so that's really nice to see. Base of the device, again, nice and sleek with the rubber feet, and then you've got your grills for both your fans and for the speakers as well. That is that, but let's look at the nice bit, which of course is always the inside. We have a full HD LCD display here. It is really rather nice. It's still quite vibrant. You can see by the colors on the screen here. It's pretty gorgeous, to be honest. Still got thin bezels around the edge, a nice large keyboard, so we've got the number pad on the side here as well, and a really large trackpad. In terms of processing power, so the versions that we're going to be getting in the UK is Intel i5 or i7. I believe this has the option for 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM, as well as an NVMe SSD, which has support for either 256 gig or 512 gigabyte as well. So that's kind of what you're expecting spec-wise. But yeah, that is just a quick look at what the Galaxy Book is like to hold. And there you are.